This slime is so cool, guys. I mean, yeah, it's so cool. And I made this, my sister made this slime, and it was so cool. And I actually really like this hollow glitter. And it actually really pokes. So that was a good slime, and let's put it back in the container. Okay, now we have this slime. It's really clicky also, and I made this slime, and I added way too much stuff, but when I made this, I was like, yeah, this is a perfect slime. And I just really wanted it to look out like this. So I did it. My parents let me. And I had a lot of slime because today's Christmas. And I had a lot of slimes from Santa, and from my mom and dad, and my grandma, my grandpa. So now we're opening blue slime. My sister made it. It's actually really, really clear. And it's really, really, really stretchy. It's really, 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 really clear, you see. And I just want you guys to know that if you're at home and you need a video, you can just make one. If your mom and dad know how to do videos on their phone or whatever, you can make slime. And now we're doing this gold slime, and it's really clicky. All these slimes are most glossy and clicky and really pretty, and it's just really, really, really stretchy. Yeah, it's and I just really like it. So, okay, next one. This one my sister made, and I had never had a video, and I love this slime. Yes, Daddy. And it's just really, really, really stretchy and really pretty. I love this slime. And this slime is really clicky. Yeah, you can hear it. So, next round. Let's open this. This is my slime that I made. I know it looks brown, but it's actually like a dark pink, I think. Yeah, it's like a dark pink. And it's really stretchy and really breakable. It's really squishy. Like, I can make a video. I can always make videos, and I can just make them. This is a slime. I have this little thing I put in there. My sister made this slime. She actually made an accident and put way too much stuff in it. But it looks really pretty. Looks really confetti. It's really clicky. Let's see. It's really clicky. You can see it's really clicky. Okay. Okay, this one, it's really, really clear and white. This one had a lot of oranges in it too, but it's still really clicky. And it's still really good. And I'm glad I'm making a video right now because I really I really just wanted to make a video, and this is my chance. So, if you get a chance and you have a day off, like on Christmas or one day, then you can make slime. And I actually got the slime, not made it. But, oh, man, hold on, guys. I forgot something. Okay, so let's put that back on. Now I have this purple slime. It's really clicky, glossy. And I just want to say, 1, 2, 3, smash that thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe. My BFF squad. And this is how my slime came. Really crunchy. And it's really stretchy. Has a lot of Orbeez in it. Okay, next one, and then we're going to be opening Play-Doh for a surprise. Okay, guys, this is the one I really want to show you. This is green, noisy. I'll guys show you something. Look. So squishy. It's so crunchy, guys. Look. And I just want to tell you, I put a lot of Orbeez in this. I know I made this one. But, oh my goodness, guys, are you hearing this? This is just so satisfying. And, oh my goodness, there's a lot of farts. Guys, stop. Oh, it's farting. I'm gonna put that back. Okay, I got 2 players. I got white, I got purple.